Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a monthly reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of May 2025. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. It might or might not resonate as it's general. So let's start. Leo, the overall energy for Leo people for the first 15 days of May 2025 is, let us say, we have the Knight of Swords. It's like you running away from something or someone as far as you can. In this particular deck, this Knight of Swords is like, okay, let me run away. Let me take care of this situation afterwards. Let me not think about it. Let me not, go in a situation where I know something is messy or something is not good for me. Okay, that kind of energy. So trying to run away from something or someone and not looking back. For some of you, not taking the accountability about something or someone. Cool. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, honey. Seven of Wands. You were in the protection energy, protective, what we call protective shell. Okay. You were like, okay, let me protect myself. You were trying to stand up for yourself and you were trying to fight for yourself in a particular situation. Currently, we have the Two of Swords. You're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you. There is a sense of distraction. There is a sense of energies being blocked. Okay, by the 15th of May, we have the Ten of Cups. Finally, something or someone is going to bring a lot of happiness in your life, and or you are going to connect with people who are like family to you, and it's going to make you feel very happy. Cool, nice. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands in the recent past for you guys. We had the Temperance and the Five of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. You were holding on to some kind of pain and you were holding on to it very tightly. But at the same time, you were being very patient about this pain that you were holding on to. You were like, okay, let me protect myself from being hurt or from being used or from being abused by anything or anyone. Because either there was a lot of guilt or regret regarding something or someone, and you were holding onto that, and you were waiting for the time when you will be able to get over that, and or you were in this energy of, okay, something happened here, something happened like maybe internally for you, and you were like, okay, let me just wait for the time to pass. I know this too shall pass. So you were in this energy of this too shall pass. Simultaneously standing up for yourself and fighting for your own energies, for your own good. Let's clarify the Two of Swords in the current situation for you guys, honey, right now at this present moment, what's happening. We have the Eight of Wands, the page of Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles. So you are having a lot of fast and forward changes in your life right now, in your work and career area as well, and otherwise as well. Maybe for some of you have to travel a lot, or you have to communicate a lot with a lot of people. Okay, but you're not sure the direction you're going in is the right direction for you or not. So even if you're going in a particular direction and things are changing very fastly, and you're putting in the effort and energy to create some kind of stable base for the future ahead of you, like something in you is telling you that maybe it's not the right path for me, or maybe I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it, or maybe there are lots of maybes right now, current in your current energies regarding a particular direction or situation that you are still attached to. By the 15th of May, we have the Ten of Cups. Let's clarify this Ten of Cups, honey, here. We have the Nine of Cups, the Strength card, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so the more you are going to hold on to happy people, happy situations, happy things that are going to fill your heart with a lot of love and, compassion, the more you are going to learn how to let go of people, things, or situation that you were holding on to till this point of life, and how to, like, just align with the divine, just let go. Yeah. I'm fumbling a lot today. I'm not well, by the way, physically, emotionally, mentally, duh, good. So it's basically what I'm getting here is you will be learning the art of letting go in a very positive way. Till this point, maybe you were like, okay, I don't care, I don't give a shit, but you did. But now you are going to be in this energy of, I know how to handle things, people, and situation, and how to be in a loving and compassionate kind of energy rather than being in all blame game kind of energy. So you are going to connect with things, people, situations that are going to give you a lot of love and compassion. And from your side too, there will be a lot of love and compassion. And you are going to learn the art of holding on to good things, good people, good situation, and letting go of everything else and anything else. That's the art that you're going to learn. And you're going to be at very much peace with yourself. Compared to right now, it's going to be super beautiful, super open, super loving and nurturing kind of energy that you are going to experience in the coming future. Very good, very beautiful, love it. Yeah, for you the guidance here is the wish fulfillment. So for the kind of wish fulfillment, this happy go lucky that you want in your life, you have to create that happy go lucky energy within yourself. Once you are going to create this happy go lucky energy in yourself, once you are going to learn the art of how to keep yourself happy, how to fulfill your own desires, how to fulfill your own cups, you will be able to attract those kind of energies towards you naturally and organically. You don't have to chase, or you don't have to fight for it, or you don't have to continuously wait for it to happen. It will happen naturally. That's the deal here. Cool. Very good. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.